Movie, say bye-bye. Because I'm gonna miss you. Bye-bye, my movie Louie. I like to move it. He likes to... Hi! Oh, hi. Wow. No.
We're eating.
Wow. Hi. Hi, vlog. Guess my roommate. Oh my gosh, what is that face? Tutulog muna kami kasi it's too early. Bastos ka. Tugulatin kita sa tulog mo. Tapos na ako magkulot. Si Mixa na naginip pa. I'm starting now with my makeup. Uy, Sunkiss. This is the fit. Shoes, Ate Ike's. Pants, Ate Ike's. Skirt, Ate Ike's. Belt, Ate Ike's. Sandal, Ate Ike's. Necklace, Ate Ike's. There's Mixa. Say hi! Hi! Gising na siya, guys. Dahil ko nagawa sa buhay ko, tulog pa rin siya. Come on, room raid! Let's interview my roommate. Hi, Mix. Why? Tell me.
Hi guys. Thank you, Sheena, for thank you. Over there. It's so pretty.
Uy, akin yan!